What is up, gang? What is up? What is up? Weird day today, huh? Oh my god. What the fuck? What the fuck? I did not take any trades today, if you guys were wondering. I did not do anything. This has been interesting. Doink, you doink, you doink. What up? Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. What's up, Sharon? The rush. All morning, guys, I wanted that hourly gap. I wanted the hourly gap before the Dow Jones or the NASDAQ. Before primarily Dow Jones took out previous daily low, and now we did. I left it. If you wanna. We're probably going to come back into that hourly gap. Honestly, guys, I think that there's not going to be any value within the trades until after FOMC comes into play. It sucks to say it, but it's just the reality as to how price is right now. When I made that economic calendar review on my Instagram story, I said word for word, I'm like, I don't think that there's going to be much value in Monday and Tuesday until after FOMC on Wednesday. Ooh. Yeah, there is daily SMT at the lows, but there's also daily SMT at the highs. Fuck. I never get on the first try. Where did that go? Where did that Zin go? Oh. What is going on? Okay, you fuck ass. Oh, yeah. Good morning. Good morning. I think that the bearish SMT still holds more weight. Why does it hold more weight? Because it is within a daily bearish fair value gap. The SMT at the previous daily low does not hold as value as the daily bearish SMT does. Definitely the daily bearish SMT. I prefer the one that is utilized within it. I prefer the one that has a key level reference point rather than just an SMT at a previous daily low. You know what I mean? What up, bro? I will always prefer the one that has it within the key level. I didn't take anything today, bro. For example, higher time frame gaps. Yes. Bingo. Bingo. No trades taken today. The only way I would have been able to take a trade today was if we tagged the hourly gap on the NASDAQ. Holy. Mm. Damn. I think oil is a good long, guys. When price reaches monthly, hold on, I'll get to that, Sean. When price reaches monthly swing point, I stuck, bro. If I have a daily fair value gap pointing against it, I missed it next time I took. I would honestly say that the weakness and the lack that you have within what at least I'm trying to get to the point where what you're telling me. If you're looking to frame intraday trades, you shouldn't be focused on monthly charts. Your monthly just kind of gives you a basic general idea and narrative build based off of how like the daily candles should print within that monthly time frame. Stay more focused on daily to 1 hour to 5 minute, daily 1 hour 15, or daily 4 hour 15 minute. And make sure that SMT divergence is a key component to your entry model functions. There is an SMT. I see it at the hourly gap. I would have liked this bigger hourly gap to be the tag on for oil, but I do think that oil is a great long to 102.45. I think this will definitely print higher. Honestly, you might even be able to long this if it gives a 5 minute, like a 5 minute breaker. If this SMT holds. Draw is so clear, bro. Draw and liquidity is so clear. Oh, you trade forex. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Oil is directly inversely correlated to indices. I swear to God. Thank you, bro. Good morning. Da-da-da-da. Show my biceps. I can't, bro. This is crazy. I have here. Ready? I'll show you guys. This is the keyboard that I have. It's I don't know what it's called exactly, but here, let me try and pull this back a little bit, and then here. It's that. But it's heavy as fuck. Like it's thick. This keyboard is like literally a brick. But it sounds so like satisfying. This thing is fucking heavy. And it wasn't even like that expensive too. I think it was only like $100. It's got a cloud on it. I just forget the exact specific name for it. One of key success in life is never spending on keyboards. What do you mean? Don't spend money on keyboards? What was this? Sunday, March 8th. Oh, you're joking. Fair. Fair. What's a linear keyboard? I've never heard of that before. But also, I'm not the best technologically savvy person. Let's go. I'm happy to hear that. Passing phase 1, now phase 2. Let's eat. Let's get it. Four more profits to my first ever payout. Let's go. Can you help me with this? I passed evaluation, but when it comes to the actual funded account, I hesitate to take trades. It's not the same. Well, obviously, you just need to treat the eval like you would the funded. Obviously, it's like a different, like in the back of your head that you're on that final stage, and you know that like this is what could take you to actually making money. Overcautious and how to control. Honestly, like the overcautious part is better than being at a part of eagerness. Like I would rather be more cautious and not taking trades than being too eager to taking too many trades that is like causing you to lose the account faster. If you feel like you are like hesitate, just make sure when you're taking these trades, everything aligns perfectly. Like literally everything within your checklist is picture perfect. And when you take the trade, if you feel like you have such an anxiety buildup of price, like whether it's going to be a stop loss or a take profit, when you execute that trade, you take the trade and then you walk away. Like the set and forget method is going to be your best friend. That is what I think that you should be following for your process as to how you take anything. You need to make sure that the trades that you are taking, A plus or A rated setups framed from fair value gaps, and your stop loss placements will always be at stop losses that have SMT at highs or lows. Set your alert at that SMT high or low and set your alert at your take profit, execute the trade, and walk away. That just is this right now is the cycle of a lack of confidence in the trade executions or a lack of confidence within the model. In order to gain confidence in your executions and in order to gain confidence in your entry model, you need to make sure that one, how did you get to that funded point? You obviously got to that funded point because you were executing trades because you were taking A plus setups. It is common. It is definitely common. It's just the circle of life as to how a trader operates. And you'll grow out of it. You'll grow out of it in due time. Everybody has their own pace as to how they like kind of get their bearings down when it comes to trades. You know what I mean? Everybody has that phase of life when it comes to unprofitable to break even to consistently profitable. It's just a matter of you getting more comfortable, you getting more familiar with price. And then once you get more familiar with price, once you get more comfortable, then you're going to be good. You'll be fine. You'll be just like, that's when trading just gets boring and you don't really have emotions tied to the charts anymore. It just is going to come in the process of you doing the same thing over and over and over again. I can't really say something that will automatically flip a switch for you besides me saying to do the method of set and forget your trades whenever you take them. That is what I'll say will help you kind of get more accustomed to just like letting trades play out, never closing them premature, and just accepting the risk and walking away, going about your day. Everything outside of that is something that every trader will go through on their own personal journey, because me saying certain things won't boost your confidence. The only way to boost your own confidence is for you to see the repetition repeat, and for you to journal everything, and for you to document everything, all that sort of stuff. Does that make sense? I hope it did. So just keep on journaling everything. And another thing that can help you is journaling every day's price action, whether you take the trade or not. Right? Doesn't it sound satisfying, bro? I love it. I'm going to do YouTube live on list. Yeah, that's good too. That's honestly not a bad idea to document how you're performing and like what you're doing on the charts, and also walking it all down live. I will. Yeah, I'll never deviate from my from my model, like ever. If I don't get my criteria as to what I need to take a trade, I will not take that trade. There's no questions asked. I will literally never, ever, ever do that. That's why all the trades that I take, they will always look the same on my YouTube. Always. On my YouTube, my Twitter, on my Instagram, whatever trade I take will always replicate the same one prior. If I don't have everything marked off properly, then I will not take the trade. No questions asked. Like the biggest thing is no SMT, no trade. And no, the old me too. I would have blown accounts on the 1 minute time frame as well. Old me would have been fucking struggling, especially during conditions like this and trying to navigate this shit, whatever this is going on here on the 5 minute. Like the old me would have been getting torched. Oh, wait, I have to take my creatine. Whoops, forgot about that. The past 3 weeks, yeah, dude, like look at this shit. It's actually fucking abysmal. Look at these fucking gaps. These massive fucking new week opening gaps. These volume imbalances have been fucking ridiculous. It has been insane. It has been insane. Like, what is this? We can't get a weekly gap for the life of us. There's a weekly gap up here, but like, we literally cannot get that. It's just not even a fucking feasible thing. Let's pray that FOMC today gives us what we need to get us the fuck with some direction. Hopefully lower. Hopefully lower. If we can get that, that would be fucking amazing. Today, the entire major move was at 7 and 8:30, nothing for 9:30. You're right. You are right. You are correct. The entire move set off way, way before the open. I'm begging for the Dow Jones to come down right here. Right there. It's actually insane how beautiful these defining ranges work. I'm not good friends with TJR. But I got sent his bag though. And I didn't even pay for this bitch. Didn't even pay for that bitch. Didn't even pay for it. What is the least feat I have to achieve and show you guys? What are you talking about? I mean, like, what's the minimum achievement I have to achieve to be trading with you live? Oh, that stuff's all in my Instagram bio. My Discord is looked at as like a mini mentorship. Because everyone within my community is independent. Majority of them. I mean, respectfully, bro, I would get into streaming like that. Like I like that sort of stuff. Like I like vlogging, I like traveling, I like showing my life. Like I like doing that more than I like trading. I'm not gonna lie. I think trading is boring as fuck, especially when you figure out how to do it and what to do. Like I just like being me on my social media accounts. I like just not just keeping my life within trading. I like showing what I do outside of life. I like showing my health stuff, my workouts, snowboarding, going out, like whatever I'm doing. I like that stuff so much more. If you designate that as influencer stuff or influencing, I'd much rather do that. Do I think I'll trade forever? Yeah, I definitely think that I'll trade forever. Yeah, 100%. Trading got me to the point where I'm at now. It's just, do I say that trading still makes me so much more money than anything else ever does. Like whether it is my personal account, my long term portfolio, my options accounts, my fucking prop accounts, like that stuff prints me like a motherfucker. Just that funds what I have fun with outside of my life. Like and like my what I do on like a weekly basis, on weekends, my travel, all that sort of stuff. And then also it funds my outside businesses. Like I have something coming out. I'm not sure when the release date is, but um I have clothes coming in that I'm designing. I have a pouch business that I'm starting. I have a couple of other things, and that also doesn't factor in real estate as well. But real estate, I don't manage and I don't touch. I have a guy for that. What are you talking about? I have a property manager. Ooh, let's get ready for this giveaway. Yeah, I have a property management team for my real estate. That is nothing that I do on my own. Fuck no. All right. All right, let's see. Let me think. All right, I got the word. All right, okay. All right. I'll make it. It'll be two reserve. It'll be two words. Okay. It'll be two words. I'll say it in 40 seconds. $30 seconds. $15. 10 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Federal Reserve. Federal Reserve. Shit, you guys are fucking fast. All right. NQ1 and then Tashin ICT. I was like, I literally said that, and then that was like literally within the span of fucking 10 seconds. Those are the two winners of the giveaway for the accounts today. NQ1 4 and then Tosh and ICT. Cool. All right. Well, for those two winners, open up your tickets in the Blue Guardians Futures Discord. You will get taken care of, and they will issue your accounts per usual, like they do. So tomorrow, same sort of deal, same spiel, giveaway, live stream, 11 o'clock to 12. I'm also live on my YouTube, 11 from 9:15 to 11. So YouTube live, then Guardian TV live, giveaway on my account, giveaway on this account, everything, the whole 9 yards. But be safe, guys, for FOMC today. Please, please, please take a break. Come back at 2 o'clock when we get like that news release, and then we get the Federal Reserve speaking about what they're going to do with rate cuts. It's going to be a big impact with the market. It's going to provide a lot of volatility, a lot of speed. So we'll be able to see what happens from that point on and what we're going to be able to do next. So be safe, guys. Have a great rest of your day. Don't do anything stupid. And I will talk to you guys all later on. Be safe, everybody.